Hi, good day all of you. Welcome to our session. Welcome to our channel Intelligible Tutorials. In this today's session, now we are going to discuss about the fifth unit of information retrieval system, that is software text search algorithms. So, what are the introduction parts of the software text search algorithms? Now we are going to see here. Let us see the text retrieval techniques in the information retrieval systems are so many, so we will list out the various kinds of the techniques here. Let us see the various kinds of the techniques here. See, basically the classical text retrieval techniques are here. It is given. Those are nothing but organizing the items in the textual database for rapidly identifying the relevant items. Okay, so we have to organize the set of items in the textual database for rapidly identifying the relevant number of the items. So what are the relevant number of the items? We are going to collect them. Okay, so the techniques here, now we are going to see here. The first one is full text scanning or streaming. Okay, and what is the next one is word inversion and multi attribute retrieval and text streaming architecture. These are the various techniques most widely used for retrieving of the text from the information retrieval systems. So let us see one by one what are the techniques now. See, already these techniques, full text scanning, the scanning of the entire text, the word inversion, multi-attribute retrieval, these techniques already used techniques. Now in this session, now we are going to talk about the various kinds of the techniques based on text search algorithms, which include all these things. Okay, so what are the text search algorithms? In so this is comes under the streaming technique, that is nothing but full text scanning, that is nothing but full text streaming. Okay, so in software streaming techniques, the item to be searched is read into memory and then algorithm is applied. We have to read whatever item we want and we have to apply the algorithm based on that. Now, basically, we use three major algorithms in this context for software text retrieval. Number one, it is brute force approach. Number two, it is Boyce Moore. Number three, it is Nath Morris Pratt algorithm. So among these three algorithms, we can consider this Nath Morris Pratt algorithm is the very good and efficient algorithm. So one by one, we will see how each and every algorithm will work. Okay. So now first we are going to talk about the brute force method. What is the meaning of the brute force method? Okay, so it is a very simplest approach comparing to all the other methods. So, and it is also called as simple string matching algorithm. The basic idea behind this is we have to match one string with the input text, whether the matching is occurred or not. So whenever there is a mismatch is occurred, we are detecting the comparison with one letter to another letter in each and every text. A mismatch is occurred, we have to shift the input text to one position and start the comparison procedure over. We have to shift that whatever text that is mismatched, we have to shift to the previous position and and complete the comparison process is over. How it is now, we are going to see by watching one single example. Let us see in this example. The text is given as AAAH and it is a some gap is there, and it is used, it can be shifted to the previous position as AAAH. Okay, and the brute force approach is already we told it is a simple string matching algorithm. By using this particular formula, it will works. Okay, the basic idea is to try to match the string against the input text. If at all any one of the mismatch occurred, it shift that particular character to the previous one. Okay, so the expected number of the comparisons when searching the input text for n number of the characters is given as, okay, number of the comparisons can be counted here. The number of the comparisons is the important one here in the brute force method. So how many number of the comparisons has done, how many number of the mismatches has occurred, we have to identify here. For that, the formula is given as a number of comparisons is given as characters. C is nothing but characters. Okay, so sorry, C is nothing but the comparison minus 1, and M is the character, like that. Okay, so this is the formula is given for that, where uh, the NC is the number of the comparisons. In C is nothing but the comparison, and M is the number of the character, N characters for a pattern of M characters. N and M are characters here for the given text T. So this is nothing but the formula we have to apply while applying with the string comparison. Okay, so now we see how it will works. Brute force pattern matching algorithm compares pattern P with the text T. Okay, so it is pattern P with the text T for each possible shift of P relative to T until either a match is found. All placements of the pattern have been tried. Okay, so until unless a match is found, okay, if the match is mismatch is found, it shift towards the left side. And brute force pattern matching algorithm runs on the time complexity as order of n into m, and the example of the worst case is T is equal to AAA minus into AH, sorry, AAA followed by AH, and P pattern P is given as A triple A H, and text is nothing but AAH. So possible shift, after shifting of the possible shift, we got this triple A H. Okay, so what are the applications of this brute force method? Now we are going to see. For DNA sequences and English text, it can be most widely used, this brute force method. In the coming session, we are going to talk about the other methods. Okay, so now once again we see the introduction part. We are at the first one, that is nothing but full text scanning or text streaming. This one now we are going to discuss here. Okay, so this is the best one now we are going to talk about. So here we are having various kinds of algorithms like brute force, Boyce-Moore and Nutt-Morris-Pratt. Here the efficient one is Nutt-Morris-Pratt, that also we will discuss. So brute force is a very simple string matching algorithm. It matches one text with against input text. If any mismatch occurs, it shifts to the input text to one position uh, previous to the previous one of the previous position it shifts, and it requires one kind of the formula as number of the character comparisons is given as like this. So based on this formula, the number of the comparisons have to be calculated on the number of the characters in the text within a given of the pattern of the text. Okay, so the shift can be done like this. Earlier text is this one, after shifting this one, and that pattern matching runs on order of n into m. Okay, and various applications of this brute force method is images and DNA sequences and English text also. In the coming sessions, we talk about Boyce-Moore and Nutt-Morris-Pratt algorithms. So if you like my channel, please subscribe my channel and watch and share all my videos. Thank you for watching.